Hello guys, so for today I'm gonna show you a very simple tutorial on how to do the screen recording on iPhone. So that icon, it should be on this part. Yeah, in this part. But of course, first we need to customize it. So we need to go to settings, that one, and then we need to look for the control center. So this one, and then you need to press it, and then customize controls again, that one, and then look for the screen recording. So this one, you need to press the plus button or the green one, that one, then it's gone. So you need to scroll up and it's here already. And then let's check if it's already on this part. Boom. This one. So this is the icon. And then you need to press it for you to be able to record. So it's counting, and if it's already red, means it's already recording. So let's try to record something in here. Just like this, just scrolling. Let's say YT. So it's like that. So if you can see, it's red on there, so meaning it is still recording. And if you want to stop it, just tap this one, so you can see it says screen recording. Stop screen recording, cancel, or stop. One. So you need to press stop. So screen recording video save photos. So meaning it's already saved in our photos, so we need to check our gallery. Photos, and boom, it's in here. So look, it's already recording. It's very simple, guys. See? So that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.